Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a soft clean for my client today. She is heading out. I'm just applying a simple brown bronzer on her eyes. Right now I'm doing her liner. I think I used this Maybelline gel liner for her liner. I honestly wanted to jump right into this video. I didn't want to make the intro so long. But yes, guys, I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I was kind of going to do it as like a, just you guys watching, but I decided to just make it into like a voiceover. For her foundation, I did take this L'Oreal foundation. I forgot the number. And I think one of the NARS foundation was Zambia and New Caledonia. I mixed those three to get her perfect shade. Ever since I started using the new oil soaker primer from One Size, it is kind of hard to blend out the foundation, I can say. So as you guys can see, like I'm literally like blending like my life depends on it. I did first take chestnut and toffee and mix those two together just to kind of highlight the face first, and then to brighten up her highlight I did take Born This Way maple, and I think I mixed it with butterscotch if I'm not mistaken.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and love with a watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah, hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Many rounds in the Philly, acting someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, beating cheese and that's the rap. It ain't nighttime, but your tango, how you
So now that I'm done blending out my concealer, I am setting under her eyes with the Anastasia Deep Peach. I get a lot of questions asking what powders I use and how do I know what powders to use. My technique is really, I go by skin tone, like if you're light skin, yellow skin, dark skin, I kind of use a powder. If you're like a dark red, I'll use like a dark or more darker red undertone powder. That's basically how I go about it. Like her, I would use like the deep peach, and I would bake with the deep peach and makeup revolution. The makeup revolution banana would just use, I would just use to kind of brighten up her under eye. If y'all get what I mean. I don't know if you guys want me to do a detailed tutorial on that, just let me know. And before I bake, I would always set first just to make sure the concealer is just set in place. And then I'll take my powder puff and go in and bake under her eyes or everywhere else I need to bake really. So now I'm setting her whole face with my MAC NW55 and Black Radiance Ebony just to lock the foundation in. I usually do this before bronzing because I notice my bronze appear better on the skin and it's not mashing with the foundation. So this is really an important step. So now I'm bronzing up her face with the Juvia's Place bronzer. I think I'm gonna also go back to using my Morphe bronzer because I feel like after Juvia's dropped, the Morphe bronzers went down, and I remember when we were all going crazy for the Morphe bronzers, and I feel like the Morphe bronzers ate as well. So right now I'm blushing up her face. I'm really using just a brown tone blush. I didn't want anything crazy on her face because this is kind of like a soft glam. So yes, guys.
Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the panty is real. Like a client to a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know her once. She know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva.
Again, this is my returning client, my wonderful returning client. I usually do the same thing for her, but I think next time she comes, we're gonna do a different glam because I feel like we always do a soft glam, and I kind of want to do like a nude shadow on her. That'd be so cute. But I'm doing the simple, the all favorite lip combo, which is the Wet n Wild Cinnamon Brown, the LA Girl Cocoa, Nudie Patootie from Wet n Wild. I think this is discontinued, or on their website, let me know. And I'll take like a pink gloss on top and then a clear gloss overall for the lips. This is honestly my favorite lip combo to do because it honestly goes with everything. Like, it's perfect for any event, any look. It just looks so pretty and it looks so good. So I'm done doing her lips, guys. I am going to press the powder I'm baking with in her skin with my NW55. Still kind of want that brightness, and to settle out the powders, I did take my Morphe spray, but the gold concealer spray, not the black one. I used the gold one now. But yes, you see how the powder just blends in her skin, y'all. Very, very mindful. Very cutesies. Powder just melts everything so beautifully. And then I'm going to highlight her face using my Fenty Diamond Bottoms. So of course, y'all know these are my favorite diamond bottoms. They're the silver and gold one, not the rose gold one. Fenty, I think, discontinued the gold one, I believe. Yeah, they did. So I'm using the silver and gold one.
Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind to repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
But I took was the Makeup Revolution. Now I'm spraying the one size on her face, y'all. Like, y'all about to see her reaction. This spray is so damn strong, but you know, it helps. And I sprayed a lot because she was going out, y'all. I'm so sorry. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will be posting more, so be on the lookout. Bye, y'all.
Too out there, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space.